My dear viewers, today discuss the chapter 1 class 8 ICSE matter. At first discuss summary of the matter. Kinetic energy. Energy which a particle processes by virtue of its movement. Interparticle space, empty spaces between the particles in a matter. Interparticle attraction, the attraction force between the particles in a matter. Melting, the process of conversion of a solid into liquid upon heating. Freezing, the process of conversion of a liquid into solid upon cooling. Next, boiling, the process of conversion of a liquid into gas when subjected to heat externally. Next, vaporization, the process of conversion of a liquid into gas by the absorption of heat from the surrounding. Next part, condensation. Condensation, that is the process of the conversion of a gas into liquid upon cooling. Next part, sublimation, the process of conversion of a solid into gas without the formation of the intermediate state. Next part, matter exists in third, that is three different state, that is solid, liquid and gas. All the matter is made of the minute particles. Next, the particles of matter have particular arrangement in their respective state. All the particles are in constant motion and hence process kinetic energy. Movement of the particles increases or decreases with the change in temperature and pressure. According to the law of conservation of mass, in a chemical reaction, the total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the product formed. Now discuss some very short type question answer or MCQ, or the very short answer type, that is choose the correct answer of each of the following. First question, which of the following has a definite volume and definite shape? Option 1 chair, option 2 apple juice, option 3 oil, option 4 shampoo. Option 1, that is chair, is the right answer. Gases occupy all the available space because their particles are strong, weak, very loosely packed, tightly packed. Option 3, that is very loosely packed. Next question, the process in which a liquid converts into solid upon cooling is called vaporization, condensation, melting, freezing. Right answer, option 4, freezing. Next question, the boiling point of a substance is the temperature at which a substance changes from a liquid to solid, a solid to liquid, a liquid to gas, a gas to solid. Option 3, that is the right answer, a liquid to gas. Next question, the law of conservation of mass states that mass cannot be changed or create, burned or destroyed, dissolved or deposits. Option 4, created or destroyed. Right answer, option 4, created or destroyed. Next question, types, write T for true and F for false. Number 1, on heating a solid at its melting point, the interparticle space increases. This statement is true. Next, question 2, on heating of sublimable solid, their interparticles attraction is lost. This statement is true. Next question, The interparticle attraction between the particles of gases is maximum. My dear students, my dear viewers, this option is wrong, that is false. Next question, a substance changes from its liquid state to gaseous state at its melting point. This statement is wrong, that is false. Next question, question number 5. Atoms are the only minute particles that constitute the formation of matter. This statement is true. Next question, question number 6. In a solid, diffusion takes place very slowly. This statement is true. Next question, question number 7. In a gas, particles are closely packed. This statement is wrong, that is false. Next question, question number 8. Gaseous substances are compressible unlike the solid substance. This statement is true, that is right. Next question, question number 9. The process of gases converting into liquid upon cooling is called condensation. This statement is true, that is right. Next question, question number 10. Sublimation is the process in which a liquid on being heated converted into its solid state. This statement is wrong, that is false. Next question type, fill in the blanks. Solidification is also termed as answer freezing. Question number 2. The dash energy of particles in a solid is very low. Answer kinetic. Next question, question number 3. The force of dash of particles of matter in gases is negligible. Answer attraction. Next question, question number 4. The interparticles dash is the maximum between the particles of gases. Answer space. Next question, question number 5. Interparticle space between the particles of a solid is minimum. Okay. My dear viewers, next the question types. Name the following. Number 1. The constant temperature at which a liquid changes to solid is freezing. Next question, question number 2. The force of attraction between the particles in matter is interparticle space. Next question, question number 3. The process in which a liquid is converted into gas is vaporization. Next question, question number 4. The process in which a solid changes its state to gas is sublimation. Okay, my dear viewers, next question, question number 5. The temperature at which a liquid is formed from solid is melting point. Next question pattern, define the following terms: melting, freezing, vaporization, boiling, condensation, sublimation, kinetic energy. First definition type question, question number 1, melting. The process of conversion of a solid into liquid upon heating. Number 2, freezing. The process of conversion of a liquid into solid upon cooling. Next part, vaporization. The process of conversion of a liquid into gas by the absorption of heat from the surrounding. Okay, my dear viewers, next part, that is question 4, boiling. The process of conversion of a liquid into gas when subjected to heat externally. Condensation. The process of conversion of a gas into liquid upon cooling. Sublimation. The process of conversion of a solid into gas without formation of the intermediate state. Next question, question number 7, kinetic energy. Energy which a particle processes by virtue of its movement. My dear viewers, any query, any problem, please comment in box. Please show the next video for part 2 of the matter class 8 ICSE board. Please show the next video. Thank you my dear viewers. Thank you my